Hi, Sick Little Mocha here, and I'm going to teach you how to turn this into this. First, open the bag. Empty it out. Yeah, there's popcorn this time. Make sure it's nice and empty. You can't have food in there. Ready?
Waste the popcorn.
Put it in the microwave. Time cook. 5 seconds. It has to be 5 seconds. If it's too under, it won't cook. If it's over, your microwave is going to explode. And I really don't think anybody wants that. Now we press start. Okay, we gave it enough time to cool now. Taking it out. Ooh, this is a little warm. Now, it goes from that same style. And if you notice, it is the size of the holes. How cute is this? Well, if you wanted more how-to tips, just contact me, Sick Little Moco, or subscribe. I'd really like that, okay? Love you. Good night.